look where we are.
Have you ever been to the Los Angeles Live Steamers? Well, they're not open every day of the week, but they have little teeny trains that you can ride, and it's really quite a lot of fun. A lot of people think it's silly, but we're going to go show you what it's like. Are you excited?
I'm looking forward to traveling.
It's going to be fun, so come on, join us. All aboard!
When you wake up in the morning and the light has hurt your head, the first thing you do when you get up out of bed is hit that streets a running and try to beat the masses. Go get yourself some cheap sunglasses. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Spider little thing, and I followed her all night in a funky fine Levi's and her sweater's kinda tight. She had a West Coast strut that was sweet as molasses, but what really knocked me out was the cheap sunglasses. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Now go out and get yourself some thick black frames with the glass so dark they won't even know your name. And the choice is up to you, 'cause they come in two classes: rhinestone shades or cheap sunglasses. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
All aboard!